Hello friends, this is Virendra Singh Tekam. I do welcome from Abhyas Academy of Science. Okay, in last video we have seen the active voice, passive voice, especially for interrogative sentences, right? So in last video we have completed also the four varieties: active to passive for assertive, then imperative, then interrogative we have finished, then we have talked about infinitives. Okay, today we are going to deal with used to or would. Now this is a new grammar section I'm going to start, so you guys will sit with pen and paper and you will note down everything what I'm going to write on the board or what I'm going to explain on that thing, right? So first we will discuss about the rules. Okay, my each and every grammar section is totally depends on the rules. Okay, so my dear friends, you will pay attention. Okay, so let's start with the rule. Okay, so rule number one, we will see that rule number one. Okay, so let's check out what rule number one says. So for used to and would. So here before dealing on this used to and would, I would like to tell you about used to and would. What kind of a modal auxiliary verb it is? It is a modal auxiliary verb which shows past habitual tense. Okay, so I'll mention over here past habitual tense. Okay, so this come into special category. Okay, we have different modal auxiliary verbs. We have the categories of modal auxiliary verbs. In my first video I have talked on that thing, right? So we have modal auxiliary verbs like can, could, should, may, might, must, need, needed to, dare to. Okay, so this kind of a modal auxiliary verbs we have, but here also we have a special category that's called used to and would. So as I told you, used to and would, these are the modal auxiliary verbs, but it shows as a past habitual tense. Past habitual tense means हमें पहले किसी चीज की आदत थी, अब वो आदत छूट चुकी है. So in this way, on this basis, like we will discuss about the various examples. So first of all, we will understand the rules. What rule says? Rule number one says that used to is used in place of would. Used to is used in place of would. Okay, used to जो है वो would की जगह पे use किया जाएगा. Okay, so this is a very simple rule. Used to is used in place of would. Okay, so rule number two says, rule number two, would is used in place of used to. Okay, so what rule number two says? Used to, would is used in place of used to, and rule number one says used to is used in place of would. ओके, यूज टू जो है वो वुड की जगह पे यूज किया जाएगा और वुड जो है वो यूज टू की जगह पे किया जाएगा. लेकिन ये दोनों ही ओके बोथ मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स इमीडिएटली कम्स आफ्टर द सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट के इमीडिएटली दोनों का यूज होगा. ओके, और इन दोनों के बाद में आफ्टर दीज थिंग्स, आफ्टर दीज टू मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब, वी गॉट फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ एक्शन वर्ब. एक्शन वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म हमें मिलेगा. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. I'll make it into rule number 3. Rule number 3 में देख लेते हैं क्या होता है. Rule number 3 में बता देता हूँ. Okay, after using used to, after using used to, the action verb after using used to, the action verb will come in first form always. Okay, so what rule number 3 says, after using used to, the action verb will come in first form always. हमेशा used to के use करने के बाद में action verb का first form आएगा. Okay, so same thing happens with the rule number 4 also. We'll check it into rule number 4. What rule number 4 says? Almost same. So after using would का use करने के बाद, after using would, the action verb will come in first form always. Here also the same thing would be happen what we have seen for the used to. After using used to, the action verb will come in first form always, and here after using would, the action verb will come in first form always. So these are the rules. These are the rules. Rule 4 are there. So it's quite simple. I'll make it one more time clear. एक बार और देख लेते हैं. Used to is used in place of would, and would is used in place of used to. Rule number 3 says, after using used to, the action verb will come in first form always. Rule number 4 says, after using would, the action verb will come in first form always. So these are the rules. Okay, so when we will talk about examples, so you will understand better. Okay, so let's check out with the examples. Examples देखते हैं. Okay. Friends, you have to sit with pen and paper, so simultaneously you will note down, you will jot down the things, and you have to do practice. आपको इसका practice भी करना है. Okay, so let's check out. Example देखते हैं. Okay, he would get up before down. He would get up before down. Now the example I have written, he would get up before down. Okay, so and in bracket, how we get the question in examination, we will see also that thing, right? So he would get up before down. In bracket, suppose if you get used to, अगर आपको ब्रैकेट में दिया used to, used के साथ में हमेशा to का यूज होगा. ओके, used to. ओके, सो इसमें used to का यूज करना इट्स क्वाइट इजी. अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल, would की जगह पे used to का यूज होगा. तो he would get up before down. So how will deal that? So he used to get up before down. So what I said, he used to get up before down. In place of would, we have used to. Okay, so let's check out another example. दूसरा example देखते हैं. He would sit near my shop. He would sit near my shop. In bracket, if you get used to, bracket में आपको मिलेगा used to. So he would sit near my shop. So how we did that? He used to sit near my shop. He used to sit near my shop. So he would sit near my shop. He used to sit near my shop. वह मेरे शॉप के मेरे दुकान के पास बैठा करता था या बैठा किया करता था. बट नाउ ही डजंट. ओके, तो पहले किसी चीज की आदत थी, अब वो आदत छूट चुकी है. दैट्स व्हाई we consider as an past habitual tense. So for past habitual tense, for showing past habitual tense, we will use used to or would. हम used to और would का use करेंगे. So guys, let's check out with the another examples. So hope so you are understanding. Okay, so let's check out. The doctor would give an extra half hour. The doctor would give an extra half hour. Okay, so in this sentence would is given, and suppose in bracket if we get used to, so how we'll do that? It's quite easy. In place of would we will use used to. So how we'll do that? The doctor used to give. Remember, always after used to the first form of action verb will come. Okay, the doctor used to give an extra half hour. The doctor would used to give an extra half hour. Okay, so like this we will deal. So let's check out another. और देख लेते हैं. See, years ago my mother drove. Years ago my mother drove a scooter. Years ago my mother drove a scooter, but now she has a car. Okay, years ago my mother drove a scooter, but now she has a car. Years ago, okay, कई साल पहले मेरी माँ कार चलाई. ओके, पर अब उसके पास एक कार है. years ago my mother drove a scooter. कई साल पहले मेरी माँ ने स्कूटर चलाया, अब उसके पास कार है. So we have to convert. Suppose in bracket we get like used to. So how we'll deal that? Years ago my mother used to drive. Now here whenever we will use used to, so obviously the first form of action verb we will use. जब भी हम used to का use करेंगे तो first form का action verb यहाँ पर use किया जाएगा. Okay, so years ago my mother used to drive a scooter, but now she has a car. लेकिन अब उसके पास कार है. कई साल पहले मेरी माँ स्कूटर चलाया करती थी, अब उसके पास कार है. So in this way we will deal with the examples. In this way we will use used to or would. Okay, let's check out with some more examples. So hope so that you guys are understanding. Okay, friends, we are dealing with used to and would. So used to and would, it shows past habitual action. Okay, let's check out with another examples. कुछ और examples देखते हैं. Okay, he would sing he would sing whenever he would sing whenever he had time. He would sing whenever he had time. And suppose in bracket, if you get used to, then how we'll do that? He used to sing. वह गाया करता था या वह गाया किया करता था. He used to sing whenever he had time. So like this we will use used to. In place of would we will use used to, and in place of used to we will see would. Okay, now we will flip the things, right? So let's check out with the used to example and we will convert into would. Okay, बहुत आसान है. Let's check out. We used to adjust the timings. We used to adjust the timings for him. We used to adjust the timings for him. And in bracket, suppose if we get like use would का कैसे use किया जाएगा? Use would. We'll see that. Okay, almost clear. We used to adjust the timings for him. So how we'll deal that? We would, in place of used to we will use would. We would adjust the timings for him. Okay, so we would adjust the timings for him. Okay, let's check out few more और example देखते हैं. He used to wait his turn. He used to wait his turn like others. He used to wait his turns like others. वह दूसरों की तरह अपनी पारी का इंतज़ार किया करता था. He used to wait his turn like others. Okay, so if suppose in bracket if you get use would, then how we do that? So let's check out. He would wait his turn like other. Okay, so he would wait his turn like other. So in place of used to we will use would. It's quite simple, बड़ा आसान है. So hope so that you are understanding the things, right? We are dealing with used to and would. Used to and would, it shows past habitual tense. These are the modal auxiliary verbs. These comes into special category. Okay, so we have seen used to, how we have to use used to. Then we are seeing how we have to use would. Okay, so in place of used to we will use would, and in place of would we will use used to. Sometimes what happen in sentence, we don't get would and we don't get the used to also, but then also if we get the action verb according to the tense, so we will use that thing, right? So let's check out another example और example देखते हैं. Okay, he used to address us sir. He used to address us sir. वह हमें सर कहकर बुलाया करता था. He used to address us sir. So in place of used to we will use would. So he would address us sir. Okay, वह हमें सर कहकर बुलाया करता था. So these are the examples what we are seeing specially for used to or would. So simultaneously you have to note down, you have to jot down in your grammar copy, and you will do practice for used to and would. Okay, आपको practice करना है. So let's check out some more examples. Okay, कुछ और examples देखते हैं. Hope so that you are getting the things. It's quite easy, बहुत आसान grammar है. Okay, so let's check out some more examples. Number 5. Every morning my mother used to get up. Every morning my mother used to get up early. Every morning my mother used to get up early. Now this sentence I have written, so we have to use would. So I will do that. So every morning my mother, in place of used to we will use would. Okay, so every morning my mother would get up early. Okay, it's quite easy. Every morning my mother would get up early. Okay, so हर सुबह मेरी माँ जल्दी उठा करती थी. Okay, so let's check out another example. So through the examples we are understanding especially for used to and would. Okay, so let's check out one more और देखते हैं. I accompanied my mother to the temple every evening. I accompanied my mother to the temple every evening. मैं हर शाम मेरी माँ को टेम्पल जाने में कंपनी दिया करता था, या मैं हर शाम मेरी माँ के साथ मंदिर जाया करता था. So how will do that? We have to use would. Okay, would का अगर यूज करना है तो कैसे करेंगे? So I would accompany. Then we have to use first form. I would accompany my mother to the temple every evening. Okay, so I would accompany my mother to the temple every evening. So like this we will construct the sentence. Let's check out some more examples. कुछ और examples लिखते हैं. Let's check out with two subjects, like what happens and how we will deal with used to and would, especially for two categories of subject. When we get two subjects, right? Suppose my sister and I would sit on balcony. Okay, my sister and I would sit on balcony. Full stop. So in place of would we have to use used to. My sister and I would sit on balcony. Okay, so here we got two subjects, my sister is there and I is there. So then also we can make it, the subject would be as it is, subject as it is rahenge. So how we deal that? My sister and I used to, we have to use used to. My sister and I used to sit on balcony. My sister and I used to sit on balcony. So like this we will deal with used to and would. Okay, used to और would के साथ deal किया जाएगा ऐसा. Okay, whenever we got two subjects, the two subjects रहा या single subject, then also we have to use in place of would, we will use used to, and in place of used to we will use would. Okay, but remember after using would or used to, the first form of action verb has to come. Action verb का पहला form आना चाहिए, ये आप याद रखेंगे. Okay, let's check out some more examples. कुछ और examples देखते हैं. It's quite easy, बड़ा easy grammar है. Used to and would, these are the past habitual action shows, right? These are the modal auxiliary verbs. So we'll talk more on that. इसके ऊपर और थोड़ा बात करते हैं. Okay, so let's check out. Every morning Gandhiji went for a walk. Every morning Gandhiji went for a walk. Now this is a sentence, right? Simple sentence. In this sentence we don't have the used to, we don't have the would, but then also if we get in the bracket like used to, then how we deal that? Used to agar bola, so definitely we can use every morning Gandhiji, every morning Gandhiji used to. Now we have to take it the first form of action verb, right? Used to, first form of action verb, right? So how we do that? Every morning Gandhiji used to go for a walk. Okay, so here we have to be careful. यहाँ पर थोड़ा सावधान रहना पड़ेगा. If you get the sentence like this, without would or without used to, if we get the direct second form of action verb, obviously we need the sentence in a past tense, then only we would be able to make it into used to or would. अगर हमें sentence past tense में मिलता है तो ही हम used to और would का use कर सकते हैं. Okay, so every morning Gandhi ji used to go for a walk. So used to, would. Okay, so let's check out another example. कुछ और example देखते हैं. Okay. So I lived in a small village, comma, when I was very young. I lived in a small village, comma, when I was very young, but now I live in a big city. Okay, सेंटेंस कितना भी बड़ा हो, सेंटेंस में ज़रूरी है सब्जेक्ट का होना, सेंटेंस में ज़रूरी है एक्शन वर्ब का होना, एंड इट वुड बी इन अ पास्ट टेंस, वो पास्ट टेंस में होना चाहिए. ओके, सो आई लिव्ड इन अ स्मॉल विलेज, कॉमा, व्हेन आई वाज वेरी यंग, बट नाउ आई लिव इन अ बिग सिटी. सो हियर वी डू ओनली वन चेंजेस, दैट इज कॉल्ड लिव्ड. यहाँ पर लिव्ड है, सो वी कैन यूज यूज्ड टू और वी कैन यूज वुड. तो यूज टू लाइक वी विल सी वुड का यूटिलाइजेशन देख लेते हैं, हाउ वी कैन यूज. सो हाउ वी डू दैट? सो आई वुड live. Then if we are using would, then we have to use first form of action verb. Action verb का पहला form आएगा. So I would live in a small village, comma, when I was very young, but now I live in a big city. Okay, so here we have done I would live in a small village, comma, when I was very young, but now I live in a big city. So like this we will deal with used to and would. So these are the examples what we can make it, what we can understand. It's quite easy. Used to and would बहुत आसान है, बड़े आराम से हो सकता है. Okay, it's quite easy grammar section. So hope so that you have understood well. आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. You have to do practice at home. You will take more examples for this thing. आप इसके लिए example लेंगे and you will do the practice for that thing, right? In your grammar copy you will note down everything. Okay, so and simultaneously guys you have to watch all videos, especially for tenses. We have done active voice, passive voice for all varieties. We have done almost like able to, unable to, question tag we have done. So you have to do all grammar section practice, okay, in your grammar copy. Very soon I am going to bring the new grammar section, that's called direct indirect speech, but it has it will take time, right? So I think like this is quite enough. So be happy, be safe, and thank you so much.